Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, it's me, Jack, still recovering. So we are going to be making caramelized onion with bacon and Gruyere cheese. I know I mispronounced it. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Come on in close and I'll show you everything else that's in it. Okay guys, here's the ingredients. You need some sugar, salt, your cheese, pepper, some thyme, onions, 4 strips of bacon, Tabasco, mayonnaise, sour cream, and cooking sherry. Okay guys, so what you need to do with your onions is you need to cut them in half, like so. Then turn them on their flat surface and just kind of make half moon slits. Okay, so we've already pre-cooked and pre-chopped the bacon and left the rendered grease in the pan for the next step. Make sure the bacon grease is heated on a medium flame. Okay, so you're gonna add the onion, pepper, salt, and sugar. Cook your onion till a dark brown. Could take up to 20 minutes. Put in the sherry and cook it for 1 minute. Okay, now you're gonna add in the Tabasco and the thyme. And mix it all in. Okay, now we're gonna mix in a medium mixing bowl the mayonnaise and the sour cream. Now we're gonna add in the bacon. Add in the cheese. And then get that all incorporated. And now we're gonna add in our onion mixture. Okay, now we're gonna transfer all this to a baking dish and put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And here you have it. Caramelized onion dip with bacon and Gruyere cheese. Look at that steam. Very, very hot. Okay. It's really good. You can taste the bacon, you can taste the cheese. So give it a shot, let us know what you think. Have a great day, guys. Love you. Bye. We're making a onion dip with Gruyere cheese.
No.
Wait.
It's caramelized onion.
Oh, okay. We are making an onion dip with bacon and Gruyere cheese and a whole bunch of other little things. So come on in close and I'll show you what else is in it.
Was it hard to just say Gru? Just Gru. That's all I had to say was Gru cheese. I don't know why you want to add Gruyere.
Okay, how about caramelized onion dip?
Oh my god.
Adjectives are important.
They all are horrible. I don't like them.
Come on.
Your career's going to end before you even started.
You're hot.
What is it?
Gruyere.
Gruyere.
Yeah.
Gruyere.
Just say Gru.
Gruyere.
That's it. No,
Okay.
get rid of the air. Just say Gru. It's that simple.
Just Gru cheese.
Okay, shh. Quiet. We're filming.
Okay, guys. So what we're gonna make today is caramelized onion with bacon and Gruyere cheese. Gruyere cheese.
No.
Whatever it is.
It's not Gruyere
If you
cheese.
say Gruyere again, I'm going to take a pan.
What is it?
It's Gruyere.
It's Gruyere.
You said Gruyere cheese.
Oh, because he said just say Gru.
No.
You told her to say just Gru cheese
Don't.
too. You're both
Jack Jr. is no longer a part of the show. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna start all over. But let's come in close and I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do caramelized onion and we're not coming in close right now. So.
What was that?
They do
Okay.
Come on, you're
Okay. Freaking hot.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait, with bacon and Gruyere cheese.
Gruyere cheese.
That's
Gruyere
it.
cheese. Hey guys, welcome back to Jack's Kitchen. Cooking with, well.
We're never going to get through the intro.
These are great. These are great bloopers. Just keep going. We'll have a whole video of bloopers.
Okay, guys, and there you have it. Caramelized.
Serious? Serious?
Shh. Okay, guys, here you have it. Caramelized onion dip with bacon and Gruyere cheese.
No, it's Gruyere.
Gruyere.
Grew. Like growing. We grew.
Okay. 2 onions, 4 strips of bacon, tobacco.
Tobacco? Who's putting
Tobacco.
That's gonna be the
There's
worst
a lot of
combination.
lung cancer.
Okay.
How about
Okay.